I audited my YouTube channel using Claude AI Chrome extension, and within 2 days, my channel views went from looking like this to looking like this. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do the same for your channel. You guys know that the easiest way to make money online right now is to leverage social media. And YouTube is one of the most important ones. So if you've been creating YouTube videos and you see that it hasn't been going well, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude to audit it to change the trajectory of your channel just like it did mine. Hi, welcome to this channel. This is She Builds Empires. Over here, we learn how to leverage AI for everything, okay? We learn how to grow, how to build businesses, how to grow businesses, and how to make money from the comfort of our homes. So if this resonates with you, I invite you to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss any of our videos. So like I was saying the other day, I got tired of how my channel was going and how everything was happening. And I decided that I needed to audit this channel. Now, a lot of you know that I've been using Claude AI, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code for a lot of things. And so I had this brilliant idea. I'm like, what about if Claude audits my channel for me? And that's what I did. And so I'm going to take you into my computer now and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing with one of my old channels that I have abandoned for a long time. Okay. Now, you're going to need to download Claude. All right. And you're going to pay for the pro version because what you're going to download is the Claude Chrome extension. Okay. So I'm going to click on recording I'm going to record my screen now and I'm going to show you guys what I did. All right, so we're here in my channel. This is an old channel. The last time I posted a video was, I cannot even remember, almost a year ago. That's a long time ago. So we're going to try to revamp this channel, okay? And this is just a sample of what I did with my own original channel, right? And I'm going to do it with this channel so that you're going to do the same with your own channel. So I'm going to click on the Claude Chrome extension over here. Now you have to download the Claude Chrome extension and you have to have the Claude Pro. That is $20 a month, totally worth it. And I'm going to say this is an old channel. I want to revamp it to start to gain views and monetize within 3 days. Help audit this channel. Check competitors. And suggest next steps. Now, if you have watched my video about prompt engineering, can you tell me something that is missing in this prompt? One thing that is missing is we have not given Claude a role and we haven't told it who we're trying to reach. So you are a YouTube strategist, coach, and auditor. Is there any word like auditor? Anyway, all right. This is an old channel. I want it to blah 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 blah. Next steps. The focus. This channel is focused. This channel focuses on spiritual growth. Now we're gonna click enter and let the Claude Chrome extension do its thing. You guys are going to see what it's going to do. Enter. So you can see that Claude has taken over my screen now, and Claude is literally clicking the things for me, right? I don't have to do anything after that. Now Claude is going to go into my analytics. When you start, right, Claude is going to ask you, it's going to ask you to give it permission. I've given Claude the permission to do this on my, on my computer. So it's going to go into it. It's going to check competitors. It's going to check all of those things, and it's going to come back with a way forward. Now, while Claude is in the background doing all of these things, you can go into your computer and do every other thing you want to do. So you don't have to like stay on that screen. You can go to other places, okay? All right, guys, so Claude is done auditing this channel, and let us see what it has done. Full channel audit, A Secret Place by Toby Rich, and it has given me the current state of the channel. This is the current state of the channel, the views, the blah blah blah, the critical audit findings. The channel has no identity, it's scattered. You started as Her Secret Place, blah blah blah, but your content tells a different thing. Bible studies, journaling, Bible reviews, praise and worship, busy mom lifestyle. So you see what it's telling me, that the content is all over the place. Like I'm using it for any and everything, which is true. Right? The YouTube algorithm can't recognize you. It doesn't know who to recommend your videos to because your content speaks to 6 different audiences. This is crazy. You have 234 videos, but only 59 are public and visible because I've made everything private, right? Your thumbnails are inconsistent and weak. Okay, that's a hard nut to crack. Your titles are generic. The algorithm is ignoring them. Yours, How to Hear God Clearly in 10 Steps. What wins in this space? God told me to tell you this. Why your prayers feel like they're hitting the ceiling, the one thing blocking your breakthrough. I think you can kind of like see what Claude is doing here, telling me the problem and giving me the solution. You have the right niche, you're just not consistent. Your best content, Bible study for beginners, blah blah blah. Competitor analysis, it has gone to analyze the competitors within this niche. Stephanie Ike Okafor, the House of PK, what they all have in common: they have a clear niche, consistent weekly uploads. Your 3-day revamp plan. Now Claude is giving me a 3-day revamp plan. Upgrade your channel description right now. Right now it just says to be blah 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 blah. Create consistent thumbnail template in Canva. Update your channel banner. Okay, in the afternoon, decide on your core 4 content: Bible study, blah blah blah. Delete or permanently privatize off-brand content. Okay, day 2, this is what I'm supposed to do on day 2. Publish a strategic relaunch plan. Best video ideas for immediate view: why your prayers aren't being answered. I studied the Bible for 30 days. Here's what happened to my life. 5 signs God is calling you into a deeper work. So those are ideas, video ideas that Claude is asking me to go ahead and do right now. Okay, and day 3, post a community post. Do all of these things. Monetization path: you currently have 15,000 subscribers. To hit 4,000 watch hours fast, publish longer videos. Each praise session, blah blah blah. Pin your best performing video in the video spot so returning visitors watch it. Your top 5 immediate actions: do this. Refresh your channel description, create a Canva thumbnail, publish 1 video today, post community updates, clip 2 to 3 shorts. Now final coach word: da 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 da. Okay, now if I do all of these things, I can assure you that it will go off the top of the roof. I can assure you that. But I'm not trying to revamp this channel right now because I do not have the capacity to run both channels at the same time right now. But this is what I did with my channel, and I encourage you to do the same. Now I want you to know this, that you can leverage AI for every aspect of your life. You just have to know how to do it, and that is what we do on this channel. And in a few days, on July 1st, we're starting the 30-day AI challenge on the school community. Now the school community was free for over 2 months, and now it's just $17 a month forever. If you lock in at $17 a month, you're going to lock in at that price forever. And listen, it's not going to stay at $17 a month. In a few days, I'm going to be increasing it to the permanent price, which is $27 a month. So if you lock in today, you're going to enjoy all the perks. And in July, we're starting the 30-day AI challenge, where we're learning different AI tools and how we can leverage it, how we can make money from off of it. So you definitely want to join the train right now. I'm going to be linking our community in the description, and of course, in the pinned comment, so definitely take advantage of that. Now, if you found this video helpful, I hope you hit the subscribe button, give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is Toby Rich.